Chris, don't go any more forward. Chris, don't go any more forward. Just hold it there. Hold it there, hold it there. Hang on guys. Oh man. I think you got to turn. Jesus. Nah. Hang on. I think turn this way. Turn to me this way. Hang on guys, turn to me this way. Once you come forward a little bit. Forward, just a little bit, that's it. Come forward. Bring it forward, the back should come down. Don't hit brakes hard. Hang on. That's it, you're back down now. Come forward, now turn right. Turn to your right. Your left, sorry. Oh man.
Are you going down here?
Well, I'll have to, eh? Alright, not too much on the brakes, just more gears. Use your gears more.
Yeah. Oh, you're gonna go.
Hectic.